Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ram 1500 Classic, powered by a 5.7-liter HEMI V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with running boards down below, as well as mud flaps on the front and rear. But let's take a look inside. Foldable cargo platform, and underneath of that, you have more storage bins. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle. And on either side, underneath the mat, you have these deep storage bins, as well as having a 12-volt power outlet there. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 126,740 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your cruise controls, as well as your manual gear shift buttons. And then on the left, you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your vehicle info, service info, things like that, your fuel economy, trip A and B information, your now playing messages such as warnings, and then your screen setup in general. You also have your radio controls on the backside of the steering wheel, and then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, Bluetooth, USB, and auxiliary capable. And then you have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, and your seat controls because you have heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, and your apps screen, which is basically just a screen of all of your controls together, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls, hazards, and your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate. Moving down further, you have your traction control shutoff and tow haul mode button, as well as physical buttons for your heated seats and steering wheel. To the left, you have your main shifter on a dial and your 4x4 controls. And then on the right, you have a 115-volt power outlet. Then here in your middle, you have this little tray, and then this larger bin area with a 12-volt power outlet, clips for your phone or other device, 2 cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest with 2 USBs auxiliary inside, so you can hook up your audio from there. And then this opens up into a larger compartment for more storage. But I believe that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.